Mr. Hand, let's go out together.
Okay.
It's so dirty. Can you help me wash this car?
Okay.
Wow! Thank you. Huh?
Oh. Huh?
Hey, don't litter.
Uh-huh.
You need to upgrade this machine to push the garbage.
Okay.
Help!
Huh?
Thank you so much.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something.
Okay.
Thank you. Can you build a cargo across this broken bridge?
I'm not sure. Let me find the best option.
Huh?
Well done, Mr. Hand. It's so difficult.
I have got an idea. This is the best option.
I agree with you.
How can I fix my roof? I need a scissor lift. Let me help you.
Thank you, Mr. Hand.
You're welcome.
I need help!
Aha! Scissor lift, Mr. Hand.
Okay.
Thank you, Alex and Mr. Hand.